What's up mga katama? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Laklakan Vlog. So today, I'm going to make a shooters. So ito po yon, nakikita nyo na. So I made 3 shooters and these are all my original shooters. Number 1, these shooters are Locos. Locos means napakamura lang po ng mga sangkap natin na ginamit. Second, easy to do. Napakadali po siyang gawin. Very simple lang. And third, elegant po siya tignan because of its color. So different color. So guys, I'm sure excited na kayo kung paano natin to ginawa. But then bago natin ipakita kung paano ko to ginawa, itong mga shooters na to, meron lang tayong procedure when it comes to shooters preparation. So ito lang yung mga dapat nating tatandaan. Of course, when pouring a spirit or pouring each ingredient, so kailangan natin gumamit ng bar spoon, yung likod ng bar spoon. Yeah, for example ito, tapos pinupour lang natin slowly so that mag-separate yung liquid sa bawat isa. Pouring slowly, dahan-dahan, using the back of your bar spoon. Kung walang bar spoon sa bahay, you can use your teaspoon. Pwede na rin po natin gamitin yon mga katomo. Second, na dapat nating tandaan, the higher the alcohol, mas lulutang siya. So siya yung iibabaw. For example, 30% versus 40% alcohol. So, mas lulutang po yung 40%. Next, juices and alcohol. Of course, medyo mabigat yung juice because it contains sugar. So, expect nyo, iilalim yung juices. Now, juices versus syrup. For example, grenadine. Mas iilalim naman po yung grenadine or any syrup because it contains more sugar, mas mabigat po siya based on the gravity. So guys, again, mas matamis, mas mabigat, mas mataas ang alcohol, more chance to float. So that's very simple when it comes to creating your own shooters. So these are the example. These are vodka shooters that I made for each one of you mga katoma. So guys, laklakan na!